is, if we go to music, yes it is. I don't know how you pronounce Chirian or Chiaran, but anyway, yeah, my daily driver is a Range Rover. So if you go to music, or hey Siri, play All Right Now.
Here's All Right Now by Free.
Okay, now if we just go to music, you don't have to do it that way, I'm just selecting a record, but you see at the bottom there, if I click that, Audi MMI 0738, there's a tick next to it. That means anything that plays, any audio that's playing on my phone, if I set this up right, it'll play through the fantastic speakers and subwoofer system in this car. So it's playing. Make sure it's turned down to start off with, then over to media. That's showing it's playing there. If it's not, you see source there. Again, source, settings, functions, copy. Source corresponds to this top right hand button there. It may not necessarily go straight on to your mobile. You may have to do a little bit more work, but as I say, so you've come onto media, it's on jukebox. So we want source, click source, wind this down to Barry's iPhone 11, click that. It's playing All Right Now, which is that one, turn it up. That's the music system in this car. It's brilliant. Thanks for watching.